Hey guys, welcome back. In the last session, we have discussed like how to create the Docker image, and we have run the Docker image, and we have accessed the customer microservice, and we can able to get the data. Now, in this session, what we will be doing is we will be discussing more on changing the port numbers. Actually, for example, let's say I'm running the Docker container. I'm running the Docker on the container level, and I'm running the Docker image, customer service image on port 8081 at the container level. Now I want to change the port number actually. So I want to use the port number 2025 actually. So whenever the request is coming to the port number 8081, it should send the request back to the port number. It should send the request back to the port number 2025. So which is nothing but it will be transferring the request from port number 8081 to 2025. Okay. So let's see how we can do that. We can do that actually. So let's show you. Okay. So let's check for the images. We will be using a command called docker images. I'll be getting the list of images. So here I have image, customer service, and the tag. Okay. So I'll be running this image, docker run -p, and here I have to mention the server port number. My server port number, let me say I'll be using the port number 2025. Okay, and my container port number is 8081, which is actually my Docker image is running actually. Okay, on this port number only, my application will be running it actually. But whenever the request comes, so it should send the request from port number 8080. Like it will be transferring the request from port number 8081 to 2025. Okay, now docker run -p, we have given the server port number and we have given the container port number. This is the server port number and this is the container port number. Now what we have to do? We have to give the image details, customer service colon, and we have to give the tag details. That's it. Simple. Tag details. So simple. So now the application will be running on port 8081, but we can access that application on port 2025. Let's see that magic. So once I enter, so it will be running the Spring Boot application. Once the Spring Boot application starts, now I'll be sending the request from a postman. First, I'll be sending the request to the port number 8085. Okay, so you can see here the Tomcat started on port number 8081. Okay, you can see this one. The Tomcat started on port number 8081. Let's go to my postman. Let's try to access the services at the port number 8081. When I send the request, I'll not get any response actually. I'll be getting the error like connection refused error, which means that it is starting on port 8081, but it is not handling the request. It is transferring the request to the port number 2025. If I change the port number from 8080 to 2025, now when I click on the send button, so I'll be getting the customer one details. Let's see. See here. Fine. Magic. Okay. So this is what I want to tell you. So you can change the port number. The application is running on port number 8081. Now you have changed the port number to 2025. That's it. I hope this is fine. So in the next session, we'll be discussing one more topic. Thank you for watching.